Good afternoon, everybody. It's Kelsey here. Welcome back to our channel. This evening, I'm going to take y'all with me into this little thrifting consignment store that we have here in our town. I bring a lot of my clothes here. If I don't sell them like on Facebook or something, I bring them here and I get like a little percentage for what they sell for them here. I'm going to take in a lot of my clothes and then I'm going to just take y'all to walk around with me. I don't know how this lady feels in here about filming in her store, so I might not talk a lot through it because I don't want her to feel, I don't know, sketched out, I guess. So, but I am going to film and show y'all, and I'll probably just have some music playing. She can be a little expensive in here. I'll show y'all. You know, it's a thrift store, but it's not really titled a thrift store. You know, it's consignment, so they are trying to make money, but she can be a little overpriced. So we'll go in there and see what she has. There's a lot of women's clothes in here. I love to shop in here, so let's go see what she's got. I tried on this little tie-dye looking dress, but I didn't like how it looked. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and try on some of these clothes. I tried these shorts on, they were so cute, but I felt like they were too big in the waist for me. And then this one was so cute, but I felt like, I don't know, I felt like a pioneer woman or something. It's hard for me to find clothes postpartum after having a baby. It's like I don't feel comfortable in hardly anything except for big t-shirts. This is all of the clothes that she gave back to me that she did not keep. This dress right here that I'm pulling out was from a boutique. I think I paid around $50 for it, and it's super nice, but it obviously doesn't fit me anymore. I can't believe she did not take that. And these Under Armour shoes, I was like, why wouldn't she take those? They were very clean and nice. They just hurt my feet. That's why I didn't want them. I don't know. She's very picky in there. So this is all the clothes I had to take back with me and haul them off somewhere else.
How did you want the steak?
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I wonder what's in here.
I give up. What?
I appreciate it.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Hey y'all, it's Julie. I have a few of the kids at the house today while their parents go and do some errands. The boys, y'all, they are something else. And then Briley, she's just so chill. But today, y'all, I'm going to share a copycat Starbucks banana bread recipe. I will have the link to this recipe in my description box. I don't like giving the full recipe over the YouTube video when it's someone else's, because I believe they deserve the right for you to check out their site where I got the recipe originally. So all I'm doing here is mashing my very ripe bananas, and in my bowl I have already mixed up flour, baking soda, and salt, and I'm just mixing that up really good, and I'm going to set it to the side while in my mixer I put my egg, my oil, my sugar, I am showing y'all this little measuring cup because I get questions all the time about it. This is from Walmart and it is so handy. Now I'm just going to add in my milk. You can also add in buttermilk, but I didn't have any, so I just added in milk. And then I'm going to add in some vanilla, and I'm going to add in those bananas that I mashed up and put it all in the mixer. I just mix it until it's all incorporated very well. And then I start adding in the dry ingredients to the wet. I do just a little bit at a time so that it mixes very well. If you have a KitchenAid, you know that sometimes you have to kind of stop it and stir down the sides. Like scrape the sides and get off the bottom very well. I'm going to take my thrifted loaf pan that I got at a thrift store here, spray it really well, and then just put my batter into the loaf pan. Okay, y'all, and I did want to mention that my husband loves walnuts in his, and I normally add cinnamon also to my banana bread. I didn't on this day because I was trying out this recipe just to see what it tasted like without it, but I know that he loves walnuts, so all I do, this is how I have to do like everything that we do like that, could have walnuts or pecans or anything like that. I have to do like half with those and half without, and I don't mix it in really well. I just kind of push it down into the batter. That way we can see what end actually had the walnuts in it, and he loves it. So now we are ready to go in the oven. And y'all, don't look at my oven. It's dirty. This thing is cooked in every single day, and I need to clean out that little foil tray. That's beside the point. But y'all, this banana bread come out of the oven and it tasted so good. Now I have another banana bread recipe where I actually add sour cream, and I do like it better. I felt like this one was a little dry, but it was still very, very good, and the whole family loved it. So thank y'all so much for coming along and going secondhand shopping with Kelsey today and spending a little bit of time in the kitchen with me while I made some banana bread. We hope that y'all have a wonderful week. We will be back really soon with some videos. It's just been really crazy busy here. I think Kara has a What's in My Kids Easter basket. So if you need some last minute Easter basket ideas, that should be going up for you guys tomorrow. We hope that y'all have a wonderful week. We love y'all, and we'll see you then.